Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Blessy, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are also welcome. So today's video is going to be a DIY video, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to glow your skin, how to clear your skin and dark spots using turmeric face mask. So guys, I have a lot of video about turmeric face mask, so if you want to see them, I will link them up here so you go and check them out. So guys, without further ado, let's just get right into it. And if you know you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to know whenever a new video is up. So guys, let's get into it. Hey guys, so to make the turmeric paste for the mask, you need a bowl and a turmeric powder. So this is the turmeric powder I have at home. So guys, I don't just use turmeric for my face, I use to cook because it's very beneficial for both the head and the skin. And then we need also a honey, and we need organic honey. So and then need a lemon juice, so this will help to lighten the skin. And also you need a milk is very important in this mask, and this is the difference, just the milk that make the difference on this face mask. So what I will just do next is to add some turmeric powder to the bowl I'm using. So I'm just going to add about 4 to 5 teaspoons. So the measurements varies for anyone, just need one that is okay for. So I'll just go ahead and add the lemon juice, and then add other things that follow, and I add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You don't want the lemon juice to be too much because lemon juice dries your skin, so you just want a drop on it. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of the milk. So and then I'll just go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of honey. So guys, make sure you use organic honey, use pure organic honey, okay? Then I'll just go ahead and mix until everything is well incorporated and form a paste. So guys, after mixing it together, so these are the consistency look like. So you can make it thicker, but don't let it too light. So you don't want it to be running down when you apply it to your face. Let it not be too thick and not too light. So this is how it is. It's very easy to make. You can see the process is easy. So let's just go ahead and apply it on the face. So guys, I'm done prepared the turmeric paste, and this is how it looks like. So this is the consistency. So guys, and I will just go ahead and apply it on my skin. And before I start applying it on my skin, I want to tell you some things about turmeric. Turmeric stains a lot, so if you want to use it on your skin, make sure you put on a cloth that if it stain or that is not important to you. That's why I put on this cloth, because it might probably drop on the shirt, so you don't want to put on a white cloth using this turmeric. That is a big mistake you ever done. And before you apply it on your skin, make sure your skin is clean. You don't want to apply it on a dirty skin. So these are the few things you need to know before using turmeric. And turmeric irritates, so if you know you have a irritated skin, don't use it. So guys, let's just get started. So now I'll just go ahead and apply it on my skin using this brush. You can use your hand, but I prefer using brush. I prefer to use my brush. So I'll just go ahead and apply it.
Admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day.
Don't apply it on my skin as you can see here. So this is how you should apply it, and I will just wait and let it dry very well before washing it off with lukewarm water, and then wash it again with my face soap. It's very important you follow this process because, like mentioned earlier, this stains a lot, and if you don't wash it very well, your face will appear so yellowish, and you don't want that. So guys, and after that I will see you in a bit and show you how it looks like, so make sure to keep watching. Hey guys, I've washed the turmeric off my face after I've waited for some minutes and it has completely dried off. So I'll just go ahead to moisturize my face using my face moisturizer, and before then I'll first of all go ahead to clean my face with my micellar water, just to remove all the yellowish from my face. And this is a micellar water I'll be using, this Garnier skincare micellar water. I love this one a lot. I don't think of changing it anytime soon because it's very good on me. I love it. So I just put a little on this board and clean it. I wipe it off my face. So guys, I really recommend you do this step. So can you see it still came out? So can you see that? And I really want to say that it's preferable you do it before bedtime, before you go to bed. With that, when you wash your face in the morning, everything will be gone, all the color will be gone by then. But so after that, I'll just go ahead and use the same product, the same brand of Garnier, but I'm using this myself. But I'm changing this soon. The reason I'm changing it is because I find a better one, and I'm changing it to Nivea Q10.
Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit.
So if you don't have a moisturizer like this, you can use face vaseline petroleum jelly. So I'll just cream my face very well and a little bit on my neck. So then after, I'll just go ahead with my sunscreen cream. Apply sunscreen on your skin is very important. Even if you are not going out indoor, if you are indoor, outdoor, sunscreen is very important on your skin. So guys, can you see my skin? This is how I glow my skin using Tumeric face mask. I do this twice in a week, and I have different DIY skincare that is coming up. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is all for today. Catch you up in my next video. Bye.